Okay guys, I'm in my backyard. I'll be cooking here in the backyard because this one smells. It smells like tuyo. Gagawa ko ng fried tuyo, pusit, tsaka yung fish na yan. And then I'll make a fried rice with hipon, na baby hipon. Ayan, nandito sa backyard. Nandito ako ngayon. Ayan, tingnan nyo. At saka ako lang nag-iisa dito. So ako rin mag-isa ang kakain nito. Okay, and then with Miko here. Ayan. Okay guys, let me show you how I cook. Ayan, okay. That's the tuyo. Tuyo number 1. Oh, actually, it's a flake. Ayan. You're not supposed to be here. Go. Okay, ay, sunog na agad. Ay, baka sobra yung fire. And then after that, ay, tuyo na, tuyo. Sunog na agad. Oh no. Oh no, okay. Kailangan ko na tanggalin ko dito. Kasi sunog na. Ayan. Parang hamburger na fish. Okay. Lagay ko lang yan dyan. And then this pusit. Oh my goodness. Pusit with love. Pusit with love. Dahil ako lang mag-isa kakain, di ganito lang. Kasi dapat may kasama ko dito nakakain. Dahil lang nasa trabaho. Tsaka si Tita C, ay aray. Ito, pwede na rin to. Tapos na to yata. Ayan, it's done. Right? Okay. After this, ayan, ang bango. Yun lang kainin natin for breakfast. And then meron akong itlog. I'm going to make a fried rice na may hipon. At ayan, garlic. Okay, so I think this is done. Done, right? Miko, go! You're not supposed to be here. Okay? Okay, I'm making this in my backyard. Kasi kanina dilig ako ng halaman, tsaka nag-blower ako ng mga leaves. Ngayon, gutom na, kaya, oh my god, sunog yung niluto ko, sunog. Ayan, paano yan? So, ngayon, gawa ko ng itlog. Kailangan yung itlog, pwede ba to ilagay dito yung itlog? Na fried? Ano kayang mangyari pag gluto ako ng itlog na nasa oil ng tuyo? Siguro itapon ko muna tong tuyo. What do you think? Tapon the tuyo somewhere. Okay, tapon the tuyo somewhere. It's gonna smell. Miko, don't touch. No. Not for dogs. Okay? Tingnan natin. Kailan dami yung oil. Ayoko na. Okay, now gawa ako ng egg. Egg na ilalagay ko sa hirap pala pag isa lang kamay. Ilagay, tsaka naghahawak ko ng computer, ng cellphone. So, gawa ako ng itlog para sa fried rice. Okay? Itlog. So, this is how I make my egg. Scrambled eggs. Okay? Lagay ko to sa sa fried rice mamaya. Okay. So yun. Eggs. So nasa siya, nasa 300. Nasa labas ako ng bahay, nasa backyard. So I think kailangan natin i-increase. Okay. Okay. So this is what we do here. Actually, this is what I do. Kasi wala naman akong kasama dito. Yung mga kasama ko dito, si Guaps Channel na sa trabaho. So, ito na lang. So, after that, lagyan ko siya ng, sandali ha, gusto ko ilagay dito yung garlic para sa fried rice. Okay? Lagyan natin ng garlic. Maraming garlic. Yan. Kasi marami akong rice. Okay? Tapos, yung ibang eggs, pwede ko itong ulamin, di ba? Yan, iwanan na lang natin ng konti para sa fried rice. Okay. Okay, I think pwede na yan sa fried rice. Tapos gusto ko siyang lagyan ng hipon. Ito o yung hipon. Kailan ko ba ito ilagay ngayon na? Ngayon na. Wala akong opener. Lagay ko muna yung rice. Okay? Rice muna. Rice. Dami akong rice. Ito yung rice ko. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng shrimp na maliit. Okay? Ayan. So, rice. Miko! No! Ayan. Ito rice. Steamed rice na kagabi. Tapos, gawin ko siyang fried rice. Ayan. Hirap ng paisa-isa. Ayan. Okay? So, ito na yung rice ko. Tapos, I don't know, lagyan ko ba siya ng oil? Hindi na. So, ito. Tapos, meron na siyang garlic na nilagay ko kanina. Para isang lagayan lang. Kasi mahirap pala pag mahawak ka ng cellphone, tsaka nagluluto, tsaka nag-video. Okay. Sana kung mautusan ko to si Miko tsaka si Mika, okay sana. Ayan. We are in the middle of somewhere. Okay, puro taas, lap ko. Okay. So, ngayon, ito na yon, fried rice in the making. So, tapusin ko muna tong fried rice ko. Tapos, after that, lagyan ko ng shrimp na maliit. Ano tawag doon? Sa Ilonggo kasi tawag namin doon kalkag. Kalkag. Yung mga shrimps na maliit. Yun yata ginagawa na, ano ba tawag doon? Yung paste, shrimp paste. Okay. So, ngayon, manood muna tayo ng mga views. Ayan, views. Bakit blurred? Blurred. Natakpan yata. Blurred ang view ko. Background. Siguro na ano nang. Okay, in the meantime, while we're waiting for the rice, Mika, come here. Miko, what are you doing there? Come. Bakit blurred? Tingnan mo si Miko. Ngayon, nilagyan ko ng small shrimps. Ayan, small shrimps na ang aking fried rice. Okay? So, ang ganito yung aking pagluluto. Dito, ay may langaw. See, gusto nila yung amoy ng sinangag. Na may kalkag. In Ilonggo, it's kalkag. Yan. So, malapit ng maluto yung aking fried rice with egg and small shrimps. Ano ba tawag doon? I don't know. Basta kalkag yung tawag namin. Kalkag. So, I'm making bahay-bahayan dito sa labas, sa backyard, sa aking garden. Kasi, sa loob ng bahay, nangangamoy yung mga tuyo. Hindi naman, wala akong tuyo, but I have puset na dried puset. So, yun yung aking konti lang naman yung niluto ko kasi konti lang naman din yung puset na dala namin. Hindi ko nga alam dapat bumili pa ako ng more. Kaya lang wala na kaming lalagyan. Kasi yung bag na iba iniwan namin sa Pilipinas kasi masyado nang marami. Pero puno pa rin yung mga pasalubong, mga piyaya, mga kung ano-ano pa. Tapos yung mga binili ko sa Pilipinas na mga wala dito. Kala mo talagang wala dito. Meron, bumili ako ng shampoo, yung Pantene na green, Pantene conditioner, tapos yung mga kung ano-ano pa. Marami akong nabili. I don't know. Siguro mga supply yun for 6 months or depende sa paggamit. Okay, so we're almost done with the fried rice. Garlic fried rice with eggs and I don't know kung anong tawag dun sa sa maliit na pusit. Sa maliit na shrimps. Yung mga baby shrimps. Ayan, so dito ako kakain. Tsaka ako lang mag-isa. Dinala ko tong aking lutuan para sa outdoor. Yan, okay. So, my eggs, ready na siya for the rice. Tsaka ito na lang naiwan kasi kinakain ko. Nasunog yata ito. Nasunog yung fish na fish cake. Maybe that's what you call it. Fish cake. So, itong aking breakfast now with coffee and I'll be okay. O, diba? Ayan, may langaw. Okay, so guys, kain tayo. Kung gusto niyo kumain, punta lang kayo dito habang ako ay nagdidilig tsaka naglilinis ng aking garden. Wala ako dito sa bahay palagi. Kaya ito, ang iniiwan lang dito yung camera. Ayan o. So, pag may lumabas dito sa labas ng backyard. Mika! Come here. Why are you there? Come here. Come here. Mika! Come on. Tigas ulo. Mika! Meka! Mika! Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Okay, Miko is here. I'm not calling you, pero mabait si Miko. Ayan, nakaupo lang dyan. Kasing kulay niya ng yung rug. Okay, Mika, come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. No, 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 Miko. Stay. Okay. Ayan yung dalawa aso. Si Mika and Miko. What do you want? Oh, you wanna eat me? Okay. Okay. Okay, I think this is cooked already. Off ko na ha. Off, off, off. At saka magpapamanicure ako mamaya. Okay. So, ngayon kain na tayo. Gagawa pa ako ng coffee. Okay. So, kung meron akong kasama, upo siya dyan. Yan o, yung upuan. Wala naman akong kasama, kaya ganito lang. Nandito, ginawa to ng anak ko. Inayos na dito yung backyard sa patio para para upuan. Para standby area. Yung mga halaman ko, dinidiligan ko yan pag umuwi ako dito. Pero pag hindi, mayroong taga-dilig dito. Lalaki. Taga-dilig. Pero minsan nakakalimutan niya kasi lagi na lang siya sa computer. Ayan si Mika. Kain na tayo. Gusto ko magkaroon ng yung burn yung sa ilalim. So, my goodness, the mga langaw is enjoying the freedom. Okay. Ito na yung ating breakfast. Yan. Bahay-bahay. So, I'm cooking my fried rice with dried fish. With dried fish and dried pusit. With a small fish, small shrimp. So, this is tawag ba dito, a fried rice with eggs and garlic. It's really good. I'm cooking outside because the dried fish smells the whole house. And, I don't like the whole house to smell like dried fish. So I'm here at the backyard with Miko and Mika playing around, and then I have my electric what you call it, stove. Okay, so where I'm here, I'm going to eat breakfast with me and myself, with myself cooking. I was thinking about going out to eat out, but I thought, okay, I think I'll just make my own food. Make my own food in the house, so it will be better. I can cook and I can see, I can water the plants. And you know that one, this artwork, I got this from the thrift store, and then I bought it because I like it, and then make it a decoration. But right now it's on the floor in the patio in the backyard, and Mika is right there. And also I bought something else in the thrift store, this one. You see that chandelier? Oh no, this chandelier, binili ko yan sa thrift store kasi ang ganda. When you turn it on, it's lighted, well lighted. And this one, this is my sanctuary. This is my zen in the backyard. So if I feel like I don't want to talk to anybody, I sit here and talk to myself. You know, sometimes you need to talk to yourself. That's the secret. Talk to yourself. And people think you're crazy because you're talking to yourself, but I'm just giving advice to myself not to be too nice with everybody, because if you're too nice with everybody, especially with some people taking advantage of your niceness, and then in the end they will hate you because you're too nice. Okay, okay guys, I gotta eat, get my coffee, and then enjoy my breakfast. These eggs with dried pusit. Ano bang pusit sa English? And then the burned fish cake. Okay, this is full of nutrient. I'm not sure if it's full of nutrient because it's salty. But anyway, it will feed me for the whole day. And then I gotta go to my hair salon and my nail salon. That's my task for today. While the two dogs, I think I'm gonna take them to the Magic Groomer salon for dogs, for the pets, because they need some grooming. And you know, it's expensive than my own grooming. Their haircut and grooming is more expensive than my haircut and my grooming. Miko, don't go there. Come back. Okay, sit. 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 Miko, sit. Good boy. See? Miko is good boy. Good job. Okay, yeah. Okay. No, no, you stay there. Stay. Stay. Sit. Okay, very good. Good boy, Miko. Okay, you sit there because we're going to, it's either I give you a shower or we go to the groomer. Two things we can do. Okay? No, 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 no. Don't eat. Don't eat that. It's human food. You only need to eat your dog food. Okay? And Mika, sit down. Mika, sit. Good girl. Good girl. See, Mika is good girl. Miko is good boy. Miko, not for dogs, okay? Not for dogs. Later, I'll cook stuff for dogs. Bye. Bye, everyone.